It's not just any clean, it's scientific clean. Scientific clean is deeper than just a shiny surface or a fresh scent. It's advanced cleaning and disinfecting products combined with repeatable practices and periodic checkups that help businesses sustain a higher level of cleanliness. Tested in the lab and refined with years of experience from hospitals to the places we eat, stay, shop, and play, a scientific clean gets us back to the moments we've been missing. Eating out with friends and family, strolling the aisles of our favorite stores, packing our bags and getting away. A scientific clean helps us feel confident today as we navigate our way through the rest of the pandemic and tomorrow when life gets back to a new normal. Because there's a difference between clean and scientific clean. Look for the Ecolab Science Certified seal at hotels, restaurants, stores, and more, and have confidence these locations are committed to a higher level of cleanliness.